Hello, good morning, ladies. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a deep conditioning treatment with the Paul Mitchell Awapuhi Intensive Repair. And actually, if you do not know, Awapuhi is a wild ginger that grows wild in Hawaii. And after a visit, Paul Mitchell had discovered that Awapuhi grows wild and that the native Hawaiians had been using it as a deep conditioning treatment for their hair for many years. So this is a quick step-by-step. I've just got out of the shower. As you can tell, my hair, after a lot of summer chlorine and everything, hair is totally fried. So we're going to take a small amount, and what I've done is run it and distribute it through the palms of my hands, and I'm going to take it on the ends first and foremost, which that is where most of our dry hair is and the damage. A lot of heat styling and drying, and as you see, I am working it through all the way through the ends of my hair. And now a lot of people, they will brush their hair through with a deep conditioning treatment, and actually wet hair, we're never really supposed to brush that much because it does damage the hair even more. So we're not going to be doing that today. You can just do it with your fingers with a less amount of pull. And in the salon, in Paul Mitchell schools, the Awapuhi is what they use for the treatment. This is their exclusive treatment. And they'll put it under one of the see-through shower caps. But since I'm home and I got my trusty shower cap, I'm just going to use that today. And we're going to take the hair and put it and twist. Okay, so we've got the Paul Mitchell product all distributed through the hair. Now, if you do a deep conditioning treatment in the salon, they'll usually put you under one of those vintage hair dryer things. And I've even known some ladies doing it at home using a blow dryer after the shower cap. And that is also a way to do this. We're going to tuck in all those little hairs and get it all underneath the shower cap. And since I don't have a vintage dryer and I don't really want to apply any more heat, because to me that just makes more damage, I'm going to use my trusty towel and put it right back. Excuse me, ladies. Put it right back on. And the heat from your hot hair right out of the shower in your head, that's going to release and help the product to absorb more readily into the hair shaft. And a neat story about the Awapuhi is after a visit, they had discovered that the natives had used it for the deep conditioning treatment. And so they started an Awapuhi farm. Cha-ching. Big money-making venture now for Paul Mitchell in all the Awapuhi products. And this is so silky. It also has keratin in it. And so that also helps with deep conditioning. But go online and check out Paul Mitchell's story, the whole story about the Awapuhi farm. And as always, you guys, Kim's Beauty Biz on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Kim'sBeautyBiz.com, the blog every Tuesday. Comes out with lots of helpful beauty on a budget, tips, tricks, and hacks. I like to share all my salon secrets, being a cosmetologist for so many years and now working in retail. So you guys can do this at home. It does not take a lot of time. It does not take a lot of money. And like I said, we as busy mom professionals, the last thing we have time for is lengthy beauty treatments. But I'm just going to give you guys so you know what you're looking for. A lot of the Paul Mitchell is available at Ulta also. But any Paul Mitchell salon or school will have your products. And most of the time, you would shower. You know, I'm getting dressed, of course. But my hair is so highly damaged from being color treated that I actually leave mine in all day long. But normally you would get back into the shower after leaving your hair, leaving it in your hair for 30 minutes and rinse the product out and then come through and style as usual. As always, you guys, much love and take care. See ya.